Hey everyone! Welcome back to Get the Marvel. I'm GTM and today we're diving into the wonderful world of comments in Java. Trust me, it's more exciting than it sounds. Imagine being able to leave secret messages in your code, only not so secret because they're pretty much out there in the open. Let's get started. So, what are comments? In Java, comments are special notes you can add to your code. They don't get executed by the compiler, so they don't affect how your program runs. Think of them as sticky notes for programmers. You know, those little reminders you leave yourself so you don't forget why you wrote that weird piece of code at 3 a.m. Types of comments. There are 3 types of comments in Java: single line, multi-line, and Javadoc. Let's break them down. Single line comments. First up, we have single-line comments. These are great for quick notes. Just use 2 forward slashes / and everything after that on the same line is ignored by the compiler. It's like saying, "Hey, compiler, ignore this part, I'm just talking to myself." Multi-line comments. Next, we've got multi-line comments. These are perfect for longer explanations. You start with / and end with /. Everything in between is ignored by the compiler. Think of it as a diary entry, but in your code. Just make sure it's work-related, no need to spill your coffee woes here. Javadoc comments. Finally, we have Javadoc comments. These are special because they're used to generate documentation. They start with / and end with /. Inside, you can use special tags like @param and @return to describe your methods and parameters. Javadoc comments are like the fancy, professional sticky notes. They're for when you want to impress your colleagues or make sure everyone understands what your code does. Let's look at some current-day examples. Developers use comments to explain complex algorithms, leave totos for future improvements, and provide information about the code's functionality. It's a lifesaver when you come back to your code after a long break or when someone else is reading it. To recap, we've got single-line comments for quick notes, multi-line comments for detailed explanations, and Javadoc comments for documentation. Use them wisely, and your future self will thank you, or at least not curse you out. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Get the Marvel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, happy coding!